Oh, are you thinking about starting keto but worried about those dreaded headaches? You're not imagining it. Keto headaches are real. But the good news is they don't have to derail you. Today I'll explain why they happen, what's going on inside your body, what the research says, and then some practical tips to stop them before they even start. When you switch to keto, your body moves from burning carbs for energy to burning fat. That shift, called ketosis, is a big metabolic change. And here's what's happening inside the body. Your brain normally runs on glucose, but when carbs suddenly drop, it takes a few days for your body to start making enough ketones for fuel, and that gap can cause brain fog and headaches. So carbs make your body hold on to water, and when you cut them, you lose water and salt quickly. And that's why the scale drops fast in week one, but also means that dehydration and electrolyte imbalances can be a major trigger for headaches. And then there's a hormone shift. Research shows that insulin levels drop on keto, which is great long term for fat loss and insulin resistance. But at first, your body's recalibrating, and some people feel it in the form of headaches. I know I certainly did in the first 4 or 5 days. Studies confirm that keto headaches are most common in the first 7 to 14 days and can be often referred to as keto flu. They're linked less to carbs being low and more to rapid water and electrolyte loss. But the good news, research also shows that they're temporary. So once your body adapts to burning fat and ketones, the headaches usually disappear. And here's 10 practical tips to reduce the chance of getting keto headaches. Hydrate properly. Aim for 2 to 3 litres of water a day. Add electrolytes. Pinch of sea salt and water will help. Or if you really want to, you could sip something like bone broth. Ease in gradually. Reduce your carbs slowly instead of reducing them overnight. Don't fear fat. Eat enough healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, eggs to help fuel your brain. Eat enough calories. Undereating can make the headaches a lot worse. Get a balance of magnesium and potassium, spinach, pumpkin seeds. You could even use a supplement if you needed to. Get quality sleep. Poor rest makes your body less resilient to changes. Increasing your magnesium intake can help with this too. Gentle movement, walking or stretching helps circulation and adaptation. And limit the caffeine swings. If you're used to lots of coffee plus carbs, cutting both at once makes headaches worse, so reduce gradually. And stay patient. Remember, it's temporary. Most people find the headaches ease off within a week or two as the body starts to adapt. Reminder, health resetting with intermittent fasting, keto diet and exercise. So broke my fast with a pea frittata, and then my second meal of the day was bacon, leeks and cream. So I had Greek yogurt and nuts, which is just such a good source of protein. And my second snack was hot dog canoes. And there's a link to my keto recipe playlist, link above, and I'll link it into the description below as well if you want to have a look at those. Feeling great, energy levels brilliant, and sleeping really well. I am also taking a magnesium supplement, and ties in with some of the symptoms that I've got with perimenopause. Sleep is the biggest one that's affected for me, and that's really, really helping that. So can keto cause headaches? Yes, they can. But now you know why, and more importantly, how to stop them in their tracks. Stick with it, feel your body right, and soon you'll be enjoying the fat burning benefits without that pounding headache. And if you want me to share my go-to electrolyte recipe that keeps my energy steady, just drop me a comment below and I'll make a video showing you exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.